Imagine waking up one night and realizing the moon is gone. No warning, no explosion, just an empty, starry sky stretching endlessly above. What would happen to Earth if the moon disappeared overnight? The moon has been humanity's silent companion for billions of years. It has guided travelers, inspired poetry, and shaped myths across cultures. From ancient civilizations carving stories into stone to lovers gazing under its glow, the moon has been more than a rock in space. It has been a constant presence. Without it, the night sky would instantly feel darker, emptier, and far more unsettling. Humanity would feel an emotional void like never before, as if something sacred had been stolen from the heavens. But the emotional shock would be just the beginning. The real problems would start with tides. The moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans, creating the tides we rely on. Without the moon, tides would shrink to just 1/3 their normal size, driven only by the sun's weaker gravitational pull. Coastal ecosystems would collapse almost overnight. Crabs, turtles, and countless other creatures that rely on tidal movements for survival would struggle to adapt. Entire food chains could break apart. Human activities like fishing, trade, and coastal farming would face massive disruption. And yet the tides are not the only hidden gift the moon gives us. The moon also acts as Earth's great stabilizer. It keeps our axial tilt steady at about 23.5 degrees. Without the moon's balancing influence, Earth could wobble violently on its axis over thousands of years. Sometimes we would tilt so far that winters might become endless, covering continents in ice. At other times, summers could scorch half the planet, turning fertile lands into deserts. This instability would make Earth far more chaotic, perhaps even uninhabitable for future generations. Our very seasons, the rhythm of life itself, exist because of the moon's silent guard. But imagine the nights themselves. The moon reflects sunlight and makes our nights brighter and more alive. Without it, nights would become pitch black, almost suffocating in their darkness. Wolves howling at an absent moon would stand confused. Owls, which rely on moonlight for hunting, would stumble in their search for prey. Sea turtles, guided by moonlight to lay their eggs, would lose their path, devastating their populations. Even human civilization might have taken a different path. Before electricity, moonlight was our natural street lamp, guiding farmers, travelers, and explorers. Without that glow, our ancestors might have struggled far longer to survive, delaying progress by centuries. The disappearance of the moon would also affect Earth's very rotation. Over time, Earth's spin might speed up, making days shorter. Seasons would grow more unstable, weather patterns more unpredictable, and ecosystems more fragile. Humanity, always adaptive, would face one of its greatest challenges. Could we create artificial tide with massive machines? Could we build glowing towers in our cities to replace the missing light? Or perhaps in the far future, would we be forced to leave Earth entirely in search of another home beneath a different star? The moon is not just a pretty light in the night sky. It is our protector, our stabilizer, our silent guide through the darkness. Without it, life on Earth might never have been possible at all. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember this: without it, our world would be a very different place, colder, darker, and perhaps unrecognizable.